Hello guys, now I will show you how to give a Google Tag Manager and container access. Okay, so first of all, we need to log in your Google Tag Manager account. I have already logged in my Google Tag Manager account. So now click on the admin section, then go inside. Now click on the user management. See, here showing account permission. Now click on the add access permission to new user. So click on the plus button and then click on the add user. Okay. Now put here your email address. This is my Gmail address. Okay. So now give the account permission. Okay. So now click on the administrator. Then now give the container permission for this. Now click on the set all. Then give the container publish permission. Otherwise, not working properly. That's I need to publish container publish permission. So click on the done. Then click on the invite. See here showing invitation is pending. Okay. So that's the process. One more thing. Uh, Google Tag Manager web container and Google Tag Manager server container give the access are same process. Okay, so if you want to give the server container access to others person, then you can follow this process. You can give the easily. All right.